my name is Sharmane and I just want to know how everyone is doing. I hope everyone is doing fine and also staying healthy at home. Okay, first of all, I just want to thank you for tuning in to TikTok Tuesdays. Okay, I'm so excited to be sharing this choreo because I personally love TikTok. Like, I've jumped onto the whole hype. So I've been trying out different challenges and I think this is one of the first few I've tried. I really enjoyed this choreo and I think it's actually quite tiring, to be honest. So what I will be sharing today is actually a choreography by Esperon. The song is actually Let's Get Loud by J-Lo. Okay, it's not a very new song, but it's a really catchy song. Okay, so throughout the whole video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching in total 4 8s because it's actually only 4 8s. So I'll be doing 2 8s first and then maybe like a short little break before we move on to the third 8 followed by the last 8. Okay, so among the 4 8s, I would say that the third 8 is a little bit tricky in terms of the weight shift, so don't be scared by, intimidated by the steps, okay? And I think overall the choreography is quite easy to catch. It's just that the timing is a little bit fast, so don't panic, okay? Other than that, I hope you go and check out the original creator because he's really good. So feel free to go back and forth the video, okay? At any time you feel you want to take a break or you want to take a rest or whatever it is, feel free to do so, okay? And then just go back and forth at your own pace, at your own target, okay? There's no one's gonna rush you, so just take your time. And most importantly, dance and just have fun, okay? Just have fun with the choreo. It's a really fun piece. So please, just enjoy the process of learning, okay? And without further ado, let's move on to the choreo. Okay, first of all, maybe watch how the dance looks like first, and then we will go into the tutorial. See how fast the choreo was. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the first 8. So the first 8 is quite simple in a way that you just have to clap 8 times. So you're just going to clap your hands in any direction you want. If you want to face right, you want to face left, you want to face down or up, it's really up to you. But if not, you can just clap them towards the center. Make sure you clap your hands very like how do I say, like you're very happy, very expressive. So you can just go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so kind of like one clap, one count. So clap as fast as you can, and then you really try to catch every clap will count. So you just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's simple, right? Okay, so thanks. From here, you're just gonna move on, and then you're gonna go clap, cross your arms. Okay, so you're gonna cross your arms first, and then your palms gonna kind of hit each other. And okay, so 1 and 2 and so you're gonna pull your hands away from each other to the side of your shoulders, and then you're gonna clap under your right leg. 1 clap, come back to the center. Left clap, come back to the center. One more time, the second 8. Cross your arms, touch, down, away, below the leg, and below the left. Okay, so the timing for this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in. So half count each. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in. Okay, one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm gonna move on. You're gonna go 5. You're gonna cross towards the left side, towards the right, towards the back. Okay, so right hand faces the back and then left hand towards the left side. And then you're not worried, you're not gonna stay in this position for long. Slowly bring both hands to the center, and then you're gonna roll about 2 times, and then you're gonna hit your hand towards the ceiling. Okay, so with counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. So the roll is about 2.5 rounds, so it's like a 3.5 and hit. Okay, a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Legs, I'm gonna explain. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna do a ball change. Right leg step towards the back, left leg step forward. Okay, so it's gonna lift the right leg up, ball change. Okay, so ball change is like changing your weight, so it's like a step. Okay, so take your right leg, bring it towards the back, and then at the same time lift the left leg up, quickly place it in front of you. Okay, what's going to happen with the hands is you're going to go and 1. Okay, think of lifting your weight upwards, like it's like a small hop. So and 1. Okay, again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Okay, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. From the top, 2 8s, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Okay, we're gonna move on. From here, you're gonna go 1. You're gonna come. Your hand's gonna come down on 2, and then right leg is gonna step forward. You're gonna go 3. And then you kind of look back towards the front. At the same time, left leg is going to come forward and you're going to go and 4. Okay, so we're going to try from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Down 2, look back 3, step left leg and 4. Okay, so just from here, hands just kind of flat down towards the ground and then quickly bring it up towards the chest. So it's quite fast, so it's like and 4. Okay, so after you look back, head towards the back, left leg step forward and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Down 2, 3, and 4. Gonna move on. Right leg gonna step right, left, right, and right. Hands. 5, 6, flat, drag. Okay, hands and legs together. Hit, flat, and drag. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one kind of swing your weight towards the left, at the same time hit, kind of swing all the way towards the left, kind of throw your head towards the left side, and then lean towards your right like that, okay? From here, slowly transit into the last 8. Left leg gonna step forward, dip it down like that, towards the back. So think of activating your lower stomach and below. Try not to move the upper body too much. You're gonna go dip it down and back, dip it down and back. So you're just gonna do it 1.5 times, so you don't have to do it so many times, don't worry. So let's just try the group first. You're gonna go down and back, down and back. With your hands think of rolling it towards the back. At the same time, what's gonna happen is as your weight is going forward, hands rolling towards the back to the center, repeat. And then from here, your hands don't come back, just release all the way towards the back. Okay, so just drop your head as well as your body towards the back and then swing across to the back and bring yourself towards the front in front of your knees like that. Placing your hands into your knees and looking towards the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it a little bit faster. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So really like just throw your head and the hands towards the back and then come back towards the in front of your knees like that. You don't really have much time to hang here, so this is really quite fast. It's like a 3 and 4. So really try to use your core, activate it to hold your weight so that you don't like fall down like that. But really hold your core and then all the way to the back and back to onto your knees like that. Okay, let's try this. 8, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, you're going to move on. You're going to do it into a pony. You're going to bring your right leg up towards the ceiling. You're going to go up 4 times, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, you're going to bring your weight down, so it's like a down bounce. You're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing, tilt your shoulders up a little bit and then lean towards the right for an angle. And then you're going to go 5, body just relax, 6, 7, 8. So from the front, it should look like this. It's like a small little hop. You're going to go down, 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 and down. Yeah? From here. 5, 6, on just 7, left hand place on your right shoulder. 7, right hand prepare to go towards the left side. Go 1 round towards the right, towards the back, and then 1 more round again. So what's going to happen is 7, come back to the center, and 8. So from here, pony, you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. To end it off, ball change, and same as the second 8, and you go end 1. Hands is kind of like towards the front, towards the back, it's really up to you, okay? So let's try from the new 8, the last 8, okay? From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yeah. Try these 2 8s again. From 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Alright, let's try slowly, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay. Next up, we're gonna link all 4 8s together, okay? And then we're gonna try a few times before we try the music. Okay? Let's go. Alright, let's try a few times, okay? One time slowly from the top, we're gonna link all 4 8s together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now, much faster. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Yeah. Okay. So well done! You have just learned Let's Get Loud. That was 4 8s, 4 very tiring 8s in fact. So I just want to thank you today for joining me on this tutorial. This is actually brought to you by Create Studios Singapore. It's actually a partnered initiative between National Youth Council and Creative Nation Singapore. So I just want to thank for this opportunity to be able to share this tutorial. Okay, I hope you could also check the original creator, Brian Esperon. I don't know if I pronounced his name correctly, but yeah, just do check out his challenges on TikTok. I think he has really good challenges, and his challenges are also picked up by JLo. So if you've already learned this tutorial, don't be shy. Do try it and then post it on TikTok. And remember to tag the original creator. I'm sure he would love to see it. And yeah, I hope you had fun as much as I did. And thank you for joining me for TikTok Tuesdays. See ya. Bye.